Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My students, I don't know whether we must be happy or we must be sad. Time flies so fast, and now we have already been in the end of the sessions in this online tutorial. My students, welcome to the last sessions of the online tutorial. This week, you're going to review and create a mind map of the learning materials from session 1 to session 7 as a summary of the Bahasa Inggris course. If you still have any questions about the previous topic, please write them down in the discussion forum. Also, do not forget to submit the assignment 3 if you haven't submitted yet. Good luck on your final exam. I do hope that you can get the best results in your study. See you on the next meeting.